You can earn $10 just searching Google. In today's video, I will show you how you can earn money online just by searching Google. To start with, we use a tool called SEMrush.com. It is a tool for SEO and Google website ranking. As you can see, you can increase organic traffic with complete and easy SEO tools. You can also create content with this tool, which helps you rank your website and get top Google search results. You can spy on your competitor marketing strategy and implement the same in your business. The reason I am sharing information about this tool is that if you already be aware of this tool, you can easily refer it to others and you can earn 10 times more than others. So I suggest you to go to SEMrush.com. And when you enter its homepage, read about this tool. When we go down the page, click on affiliate program. You will go to this page from where you can join SEMrush affiliate program by pressing this button here. As you can see here, it pays you the high commissions in the industry where you will get $200 per sale plus $10 for every free tutorial your referrals sign up for. It also has a 120-day cookie life, meaning that if you direct someone to the site who doesn't register at the moment, even if they subscribe to the premium plan within 120 days of the date they clicked on your referral link, you will still earn $200 in affiliate commission. So just click this button to join this affiliate program. This will take you to the next page where you have to click on this sign up button to continue, and on the next page you can see the terms of the SEMrush contract. Even if someone sign up using just your referral link, and even if they don't sign up for the free course, you'll still get 1 cent per sign up if you rush. But we're here to make you a lot of money, so if you scroll down, you'll get $10 for every free courses your referrals sign up for, and if your referrals buy the premium plans, you will get $200 per sign up on any premium plans. So just scroll down a bit, read the terms of service, and just click where it says accept. Then on the next page you need to log in using your Facebook or Gmail account, and after that you need to enter your number, name and mobile phone number and click on the terms and condition, and they will be sent. Click on start working number once you have a verification code in your number. Then you confirm that they want your original business model. Then you can choose the option that perfectly matches your business, or if you don't have a business, you can just select the create option from there and continue by just pressing this button. Then you have to select the method you are using to promote SEMrush, and for this you can use add social option because it is the easiest ways, a way to get admission in SEMrush affiliate program. And now you need to add your social account in this, so you can add any of your social account to this tool. After you add your social account on this page and complete your registration process for the affiliate program, your request will be processed, and within 6 and 7 days you will most likely be accepted into their affiliate program. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Now we go to Google and type in digital marketing agency. Now I want you to be very specific about where you search. For agency, for example, you can search for digital marketing agency in New York or in California. You can be from anywhere in the world and you will still get search result for that specific location. So you can use any location you want. Have a good customers who can easily purchase premium plans. For the purpose of this video, let's search for digital marketing agency in New York, and as you can see, now you can find 3 and 4 sponsored ads in the search results because they are already paying Google to show their website in the top 5 results for that search term. They are already making enough money to rank their website organically. So you can promote the SEMrush tool to these agency owners, and there is a very good chance that they will buy the premium plan if they don't already have it, and if they buy any of the premium plans, you will get $200 plus $10, which with a 1-minute Google search costs to total of $210. All you have to do is open all these websites in new tabs and find their contact email address from here. For example, on this website, you can scroll down and find their contact email address written somewhere. As you can see in this contact section, you can find the email address and you can use it to contact the owner of this agency just like this. Other search results use for the same, and you can also collect email address from this agency that rank well for the search term. Not only can you change the location to something else, but you can also search for digital marketing agency Junior in California, and you can find many email contacts of different digital marketing agency all over the world. Now, after collection at least 50 emails, it is time to send emails to these agencies. You can use your Gmail account. You can ChatGPT to write an email. You can copy it and paste it in your email. So just copy and paste the terms for here. In this way, you can earn good income from this method.